Hi, in front of me is Motorola Moto G30 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation on this device. Firstly, open Tab menu. Now click on Auto Rotate icon. Auto rotation is now turned off. You can turn it on by clicking on the same icon. But you can also go into Settings, choose Display, click on Advanced, scroll down and tap on the switcher next to Auto Rotate screen over here to turn it on or off. If you want to check out if it works, you can go into any app, for example Photos, and turn your device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!